Alright, good morning. Monday morning, 6:35 a.m. here, Eastern Daylight Time, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. August 24th, 2015. Here's a view of the allskycam.com homepage. I was looking for the magnetic field lines again I was telling you about in that Alaska Aurora Borealis vid that I shot yesterday. I hope you caught them. If not, just go to the link. You can see them again right now, which I'm going to show you in a second. I checked out these ones over here in Norway. Not showing really any field line, although yeah, you can see them a little bit in there. You can see them if you go and hit the link direct. And then this one, yeah, it's all fuzzed out in here. So that's the one of the magnetic tentacles from this brown dwarf latch and hold in our polar regions. But I think, as Astral Traveler pointed out, I wish he was still around making videos. Here's the Alaska link. The pole's been shifting and migrating toward the west, so you can see the field lines, magnetic field lines, are a whole lot stronger over here. And I think you had some more of the Aurora Borealis show up over here too, as you can see in this 24 single column image. Last 24 hours. There's the some of the Aurora Borealis caught there. Looks like they take a still maybe every minute, a slice of the sky, and then they put them all together. So anyway, there's the field lines. And I wanted to show you a couple other things. This is a video I uploaded on 11/17/14. This is when I first discovered the Nibiru system came up level with the ecliptic plane. That's why they put the Hallelujah chorus in there. Looking for this thing for so long. But there it is, and like I was telling you before, you can see that there's more objects visible because it's just coming up and around the ecliptic now, and it hasn't made the turn yet. Now this is taken using 2 and 3 layers. This is a 3-layer floppy disk on the cell phone. That's why it's a whole lot darker. So there you have that, and now it's made the turn, and like I'll show you here in a minute. It's hard to, it's not showing up like this anymore. It's all in front of the sun, and it's heading our way. Okay, this is the July 22nd bit I was telling you about. I used that sketch enhancement program. Just play for a little bit of it here. Recording a video on a 3G cell phone with a sepia format, brown screen. Shoot directly at the sun with the 2 layers of computer floppy disk taped over my camera lens. It's July 22nd, around noon time. And I'm shooting directly at the sun, like I said. As you can see, there's some other objects up there. I tilt the camera left, tilt the camera right, tilt the camera down, tilt the camera up. That exposes them more, because apparently it looks like they're directly in front of the sun. Pretty much. So I'm back live. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See all the spokes and whatnot. So and when I shifted the camera out, you could see clearly 3 large objects in front of the sun. And there's probably some more in there too, debris field and whatnot, causing all this light to be diffused and broken up and scattered this way and that. And these spokes are evidence of that. And this is a vid I shot March 12th last year, 2015, or this year, 2015. I had the astronomy grade solar film over it, and I was shooting it in a negative format.
Well, Thursday, I'm in Pittsburgh, PA, taking a vid with pro-grade solar film over my 3G cell phone camera lens in the negative format. You can clearly see there's a pretty good sized object up there, upper left hand, from our view, corner of the sun.
This is the sun, obviously. And there's the brown dwarf, I believe. And you can maybe catch a few of the other orbitals in there. There's another one I took on March 12th using the ProGrade solar film, but I had it on, instead of the negative format, I had it on either the regular color or it might have been the brown screen.
Hey, there's a short vid with the pro-grade solar film, and I think I'm seeing something up there above the sun to the left, but it's real hard to see out here in the bright sunlight. By the way, anyone notice how white the sun is and bright it is? Which is really becoming that way the last couple of years. But now it's really noticeable. Remember when the sun used to be yellow, folks?
This is what clued me to the fact that the Nibiru system was coming up and getting close to the ecliptic plane when I saw this vid. There's the sun. There's the Nibiru sun down there in Brazil. This is in 9/16/2014. Then I came across this one. All sky cams. All sky cam shots. This guy made a great compilation. Caught the sun going down with the Nibiru sun following it. And this was all over the northern hemisphere, basically. These shots. You can check it out. And the video's still up. It's in my favorite section. Yeah, that's the Nibiru sun. There's the moon. The sun already went down. And now you can see the vid goes for almost 7 minutes. There's the Nibiru sun. This is back in October 2014. So that's what clued me, and that's why I got the 3G cell phone and started figuring out how I might record this thing myself. See, here's my favorite page. There it is there, number 11. Now we're going to go down and check out that magnetosphere reversal. This is awesome. There's the channel, TSN Research. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Here's the sun over here. Normally the magnetosphere, magnetopause, computer simulation is like a nice uniform half circle with the magneto tail going back this way. Well, the Nibiru sun, the brown dwarf, the high magnetics, which we're showing now, catching actually on film up there in toward the North Pole, in Alaska especially. You can see that it's starting to push the other way. pushing it back. There we go. So now it's reversed itself. The magneto tail is pointing back toward the sun. That just doesn't happen unless there's something really seriously in the inner solar system perturbing everything. We live in an electromagnetic universe. I highly recommend going on and checking out that Chuck Missler video, The Electric Universe. It explains a lot in there. Gravity very inconsequential compared to electromagnetics. Still too early to catch any haps out in San Diego, except there it is from yesterday. 24-hour single frame time lapse. There's the Nibiru sun. Okay, we got moon glow observatory. Still too early to see any orange balls coming up, but there's the single column shot from yesterday. There's the Nibiru sun. Different shot. Maybe the clouds are obscuring a little bit. Different angle. Missouri. The other one I showed you was San Diego. And who knows? This could be picking up a heliosphere. The magnetic influence too, perhaps. Possible. Nothing happening yet. Lozano, Spring Branch, Texas. Recap. There's the column from yesterday. There's the Nibiru sun. Showing close to 2 o'clock position. There's Pontotoc, Texas. Still too early to catch anything, but we get the flash, so something's coming up. Maybe the Nibiru sun's coming up and then sun's flashing off of that. But this was one of the best pictures I caught yesterday in the single column. If you looked at the previous vids I put up from yesterday evening, there it is. And it's clearly showing a spherical object above the sun. And it's red, just like the brown dwarf would be, with the sun illuminating it. Doesn't give off its own light. It has to be near another body. Just to show you, this wasn't the only time we had this magnetopause becoming seriously disturbed. BP Earthwatch reported on it. He has a different conclusion as to the source. Although he put up that magnetic ball thing in the interview with Michael Patch, I don't know. It's hard to read this guy. He doesn't really talk much about Nibiru sun, dwarf star, anything like that. But here's one of his vids I put in my favorite list.
But this is amazing. Look at this. This is current as I'm doing the video. It's roughly 5.
And you can see this is December 23rd, 2014. So if you pull up any magnetopause links, I'm sure it's showing that it's greatly disturbed now as well. I'll have to look for one.
That's what they were talking about. You don't. But
And
now,
all these colors and stuff, that's all energy.
out of here.
Electrons and protons. And this is plasma.
And actual
Astral Traveler made some great videos on this. Wish that dude was still around making videos. Go to Astral Traveler's channel. He covered a lot of stuff like this.
for the solar wind.
Here's a current shot of our magnetopause. I can't get the thing to run, but that's a shot that was taken today. This is on Astral Traveler's channel. There's another cut of it. There's another one. So there you have it. Do your own looking around. And I'm going to see if I can find a live feed for a second. Hang on, I got like 20 seconds. This is also from Astral Traveler's site, Vibe to the Universe. He still maintains a website. Here you can see the Aurora situation. There's Alaska. That's why I'm showing that it was